We are 2.5 hours in the Nitro Nights show. It has been very busy, very hot. We have had so many people come up to the booth. We even got some puppy dogs. We got everything going on. It's been a great time. Got a whole bunch of cars, meeting a lot of people, and doing our events, you know. Whenever we were setting up, it was 105 degrees out here, right? And there was people sitting here at 3:30. So take that into account. Isn't that crazy? Nitro Nights is over. We have finally at 9:40 got everyone out of here. It was a fabulous show, hot. Everyone stuck out and hung out. We had some amazing times, amazing vibes. You know that already. But other than that, it's time to get this night going to an end. Till next time, August 9th here. We got August 30th. We got Party at the Plex. And then we'll let you guys know on all the outdoor shows. I know next weekend we got Slamming Up Chicago. We got a bunch of stuff coming up. So stay tuned. I know JayP killed this. And I got to give him a shout out because he didn't even have his whole rig. He is filming this whole thing on his phone. So I'm very excited to see how he cooks with this and not his multi-$1,000 rig. So shout out to him. And he Ubered here, by the way. Shout out to the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Fettuccine Hands. See you guys at the next one.
Did my toe in, but I don't jump in.